Good morning guys! Another day, another video, and for today, we're going to Terraza Marta Tarlac Subdivision. This is your sales agent Alexis of Innova Homes Realty Corporation and Innova Homes Norn Incorporated. At galing nga tayo sa main office ng Innova Homes Realty Corporation located at Lias, Marilao, Bulacan. At mula nga Marilao, Bulacan, going to Tibagan, Tarlac, kung saan ang ating TMT subdivision located. We enter from Philippine Arena and Lex. Then exit Tex. The exit point is sa Hacienda Luisita. Then heading to MacArthur Highway. Going to TMT subdivision. 15 minutes lang siya away from SM City Tarlac, Market City, Tarlac State University, or for short city proper ng Tarlac. So our departure time is 9 AM sa Marilao, Bulacan, going dito sa Tarlac City, at nakarating nga tayo ng 10 AM. Ang travel time natin ay mabilis lang, walang hassle at safe. 1 hour or 1 and a half ang maximum travel time. Actually guys, ang sinakyan natin is company service to meet also our clients na located na siya dito sa Tarlac. But guys, if you are located at southbound, like you are from Metro Manila, Cavite, we have meet up or pick up point like SM North, Trinoma, or Cloverleaf, Balintawak. It can be Monumento Circle, Tropical Hut, Mercury Drug, or SM Grand Central. Pwede rin sa SM Novaliches, Purview, Valenzuela, Pure Gold Positive Blast, or SM San Jose del Monte. So yun nga guys, nakita natin sa video natin. After we enter the Agana Bridge or Romulo Boulevard, ang location ng ating Terraza Marta Subdivision dito sa Barangay Tibag, way back from Market City or SM City Tarlac, is total of 15 minutes only. Mararating nyo na ang ating TMT Subdivision. That is absolutely flood-free, high accessible, mid-end class subdivision with high quality townhouses offer. So guys, ito na yung sa left side natin yung Barangay Tibagan Road, going to our Terraza Marta Tarlac Subdivision. Ay pwede kayong gumamit ng tricycle kung magko-commute kayo papuntang city proper of Tarlac City. Tumula dito sa may Barangay Road natin ng Tibagan. Naka-flash sa video natin dito sa left and right side. May shortcut or bypass na siya going to Tarlac City proper. Then yung right side naman papuntang Barangay Caray. So magiging mabilis yung travel time natin mula TMT Subdivision going to city proper ng Tarlac. Within the vicinity of our Barangay Tibagan, which is located ang ating subdivision, bukod sa mga establishments, ay napakaraming private resorts, different churches, hospitals sa city proper, schools and other establishments. Then ito na nga ang ating Terraza Marta Tarlac Subdivision main entrance or gate. The total of our Terraza Marta Tarlac Subdivision is 13 hectares. Pero expandable siya in future for total of 53 hectares. Our Terraza Marta Subdivision offers free shuttle service from our TMT Subdivision going to either Market City or SM City Tarlac. So very secured and highly accessible siya. So that is our main entrance. Then ito yung ating main road na 12 meters wide. The secondary road is either 10 meters wide or 6.5 meters wide. Plus yung TMT Phase 1 natin is year 2020. So guys, marami na nag-avail ng ating mga townhouse units. Hindi lang taga rito sa Tarlac City kundi sa iba't ibang parte ng ating bansa. So we offer here townhouse unit na RFO or ready for occupancy. And this month of May 2024, may available din tayo ng mga townhouse unit na pre-selling or for construction. The turnover of our RFO is 3 to 6 months and the turnover ng ating mga pre-selling or for construction is 10 to 12 months. Ayan siya, magpa-flash sa screen, lahat ng shadeds ng yellow is taken na or sold na. So marami pa tayong mga available townhouse units. On the left side of the flash video is our recreational amenities. That is our basketball court and social hall. As you can see guys, ito yung mga actual turnover ng ating mga townhouse units at marami na naka-move in dito. Mga unit owners na nag-avail mula year 2020. At isa sa mga unit owner dyan ay ako. So we offer townhouse unit that is complete package or semi-complete package. Yung differences nila syempre yung price computation and pagkakatapos ng interior design nila. So this is our actual turnover ng semi-complete package at ito naman ang ating complete package turnover. So we offer absolutely no move-in fees, no hidden charges, installation ng water supply and electricity, absolutely flood-free, highly accessible, approval ng pag-ibig requirements ninyo included na. Also free na din yung conversion or transfer of title. So guys, for house tour, free tripping, or reservation, kindly contact me anytime, caption below. Again, this is Terraza Marta Tarlac Subdivision, reliving the dreams of every Filipino family. Thank you for watching guys. See you!